Look at Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. For those that are watching and for those that are new here, it's your boy TZ, young TZ, leukemia patient, GVHD patient, and all we do is vlog about our daily life. Even though if it's boring or not, we will still vlog. But right now we're gonna go downstairs, make some beautiful wheat bix. Yes. So let's go and eat. We hungry. People have a question. So what do you have for breakfast? Like for me, I need to have cereal. I can't have like something heavy, you know, like if you're gonna cook steak or something like that, man, I really can't eat that for breakfast. I don't know why, but wheat bix is good, porridge is good for me. But yeah, something light for breakfast, you know. But anyways, gonna make my wheat bix. Catch yous upstairs. Gotta put you down. Oh, so people, before I went to bed, right, I packed up all the dishes that was all here. Packed all the dishes, rinsed the dishes. So yeah, packed them up last night before I went to bed. Now looks clean. Anyways, we got our wheat bix, got the sugar. Let's put the sugar and milk in our wheat bix. Here's our wheat bix, people. Here you have it. Enjoy. Well, I will enjoy. We just finished washing our face, wetting our hair, and my sister tied it. So yeah, now we're in bed. We're probably gonna be in bed maybe all day. If not, we're at the gym. But if so, we're just gonna be in bed. Nothing new here. When I'm home, I'm in bed and editing, moving files. But anything else, my peoples, it would be the gym. So, if we're going to the gym, we're gonna wait for my little brother from work. Wait for him, and yeah, I'm going to get my tripod out so I don't need to hold my camera. Catch yous in a bit. Like my sister said, also shopping and probably some gaming. So that's our plan today. Go gym maybe. Go shopping, and play some games. Anyways, gotta go. Files has been moved to the phone. Need to do more. So catch yous in a bit. People, we're just moving files right there, and we are watching YouTube right here. So yeah, we are eating leftover food from last night. So yeah, let's eat, people. We're hungry out here. Sugar level time. To pinch your finger, pierce your finger.
Oh, that just for a lockpick.
This goes on your blood to you. Yes, scan it.
I knew there was a chest.
This is a tracker. You put this in here. Like, you put this and this like that. But first you gotta put this on your blood. And then it tracks your sugar levels. So, we're gonna do that right now. I remember trying. Here you go, people. For the right there.
Money.
For the right there. Ta-da. Like that.
Where's my magic at? I want to use some magic spells.
Oh. Dang it.
Oh, wow.
Gotta grab another one. That one did not track anything. You gotta put this in to turn it on.
Oh, you just...
What? Oh no, it's not working. Ha! Sorry guys, I put it the wrong way. I put it upside down, this thing. My bad. Okay, we got it. Put it into the blood. Oh my gosh, I am 12.9.
No way, wow.
Don't do the sugar levels, my people.
Sugar levels time.
Put this around the finger. Put this around the finger as well. Tighten it. There you go. Okay, catch you in a bit. Insulin time. Everybody, we are going shopping right now, so we'll catch you there. Catch you at the shopping center.
Handbag, perhaps.
Yeah. Oh.
In between.
What?
30 minutes. A lot.
Look at this, people. They're popcorn. But I can't get it. So goodbye.
How much are the big cans that you guys have? Over here.
I'm gonna keep drinking more. We need some.
There we go. 90%.
This one there? Oh no, that's... Why is it so small?
It's time to test this. So,
Oh, I don't want it. I just want the cheapest one.
people, shopping is done. We got what we need. Let's go home. And donuts. We are walking home, people. Brothers in the back, sisters in the back. Look at the moon. Here's our shopping. There you go. Going to taste test this. You guys want some? Want one?
Probably just.
Do you want a Mr. Beast chocolate?
No, thank you.
My brother said no. You're gonna miss out.
It was only $2.
Alright, I hope this is nice. Oh yeah, hey, you want the whole row?
Nah, I just have one. Thank you.
What about you, okay? Yes, I'll give him a row. Alright, tell him, is it nice? What the? Wait,
Oh,
why
the
is
peanut
this?
butter definitely is in there.
That's it. You guys.
Probably wouldn't
Liver.
get it again, but
Yeah, I probably wouldn't either. I probably wouldn't get this again either.
yeah.
Told you, let's get the milk chocolate.
Peanut butter crunch. Reminds me of the Reese's Pieces with it. Yeah. It's alright. If you're into the mandem, go get yourself a chocolate. Anyways, peace. Watching some stuff from back home, New Zealand. So yeah, check out his channel right there. TFS podcast. Shouts to Mandem. So yeah, it's just about gang stuff, you know, back home. So yeah, interviews different gang members, and yeah, just back home. Oh, just back home. Anyways, my taco. Second one. Anyways, I'm gonna eat. Everybody, we are 1 week behind in our vlogs, and we have call up. Yes,
Oh my gosh.
Finally.
I see it.
we are 1 week behind. We finally did it. We made it. Not 2, not 3, not 4 weeks. 1 week.
Turn look and see that guy across there.
No. Oh,
And my brother's playing Oblivion right there. Right there, people.
Bone meal. Yeah, I'll take some of that.
There you have it. And people, look at that Xbox right here.
wow.
Damn, look at that. Right there.
Got to get allergy tablets. You just went up to his face.
I have to put them all up.
Look what we got, people. Some dark chocolate for us to snack on.
No, you don't need press X, mate.
And some floss. But who cares about that?
Oh, you know the.
Gonna take out dinner meds, my people. So, let's go and do that. While we do that, watch some YouTube. Oh, and then watch my little brother play game. We will catch yous in the morning.
Really that bad?
Catch yous in a bit, man. Going to sleep. people,
Do it.
brother and sister, are awake.
Sorry.
We got our movie on
Loading.
the TV. It's time to finish this movie up. Let's go. Watching a new movie, people. It's a horror. That's looking good. Good morning, Cupid, our beautiful dog. Beautiful dog from the heavens. Rest in peace to our Cupid right there. Putting some boiling hot water into the pot so the family can have some water for the day. Since we'll be driving to the country tonight. Cannot wait, very excited to catch up with the cousins. Even though one of them be gaming on her phone. But yeah, can't wait. Well, peoples, everybody will be out today. So, it's probably just going to be me home. So yeah, what we're going to do is probably just game. Since we can't go anywhere, so we'll either watch YouTube, movies, anime, or play on the game, so yeah. But right now, just boiling up some water, put it into the pot, and then let that cool down, put it in the fridge, so we could have some water. And that's it, my peoples. That's pretty much it for now. So, we will catch you in a bit. Sorry, people, for the shakiness. My bad about that, people. My bad. Everybody, I have a question. Should I actually clean up my hair to look more presentable for you guys? You know, like when I watch YouTube videos, everybody, you know, they fix their hair, girls do their makeup. Should I fix my hair? I haven't washed my face yet, but should I fix my hair? Comment down below, because today we're just going to be home. And should I really do that? Just asking, so yeah. My lovely family right there. My mum, my brother, my brothers, and my sister, mate. So yeah, peace. There's me. There's me right there, people. People, I need to confess to y'all. This morning around 5 a.m. 6 a.m. Your boy ate his Easter bunny. That much from it. That was how much was left. That much of the chocolate bunny. Yep, I ate that. So, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm thinking that my sugar levels this afternoon will be pretty high. So yeah, that is for you to know. Anyways, it was delicious. It was yummy. I enjoyed it. It's finally finished, by the way. Yes, it's finally finished. Anyway, pardon me, that is all. Kettle is nearly done. Time to put that into the pot and boil one more, and that be it. Let's get it cracking, my brothers and sisters. Okay, that's enough right now, so we're gonna head up back up to my room, take the jug and bottle up there, so yeah, let's go and do that, man. Alright people, we're back in bed. Yes, I tidy up my hair, wash my face, haven't brushed my teeth yet. I will brush it at 12 p.m. That's the truth. But anyways, brother gone too, and brother gone as well. 3 of them gone. One to dad, one maybe I think to the gym, and then one to a baptism. So just me and my sister home. Well, she's here to babysit me. I'm here to babysit her, but really she's here to actually babysit me. So yeah, babysit me, keep an eye on me, you know, so we don't fall, trip or die. So yeah, movie time, watching a new movie. There you go. People, your boy was just about to, you know, do some gameplay, play the game I mean, but I just remembered I have to edit. So I'm going to edit. If I finish early, your boy can play on the game. So let's get this on the road so we could play, man. Play some Valhalla, boy. Gal. Let's get it. Let's play some YouTube for now. Edit so we could play some Assassin's Creed. Time to go and clean our teeth. Cool. We did not know voting is today, so we'll be voting today. Damn. My plan was to play on the game, get my stuff ready around 2, well, after lunch, get my clothes ready to go to the countryside, and yeah, but now I cannot. Now I have to wait, because we got voting to do. Damn it. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you fellas. Oh yeah, we just finished cleaning our teeth, so that's a good thing. We got some scrambled eggs made by my little brother, so let's eat and enjoy and watch some YouTube. We have been home maybe half an hour, but we just got home from voting. Yes, we went to vote, and I hope you went to vote too, because if not, you're gonna get fined. And if you got fined, I hope you got the money for that. Anyways, just packing our stuff. We're not finished yet, but yeah, packing our stuff right here, right there. That's it. Catch yous. There we go. Catch yous when we're done. People, we just finished packing. Everything's packed. Ready to head out. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Damn. My eyes are burning, my eyes are sore. I have not stopped packing since I got home, which was around 3, 4. 3? After 3. So yeah. No, it's 6 o'clock. Nearly 3 hours of packing, my peoples. You know, meds and everything, man. Clothes. Yeah. But we did it. It's all done. Now, just lying down. Gotta let my sister know it's all packed. Then that's it. That will be it. Tired. Man, get home, I'm knocking out, man. I'm going to sleep. People, we are home. As you can see, been home for nearly 2-3 hours. So yeah, the time is I'm gonna close up the vlog, so don't forget my peoples, like, comment, subscribe to your boy TG Vlogs. We will catch you on the next one. Have a blissful Sunday. Have a good Sunday. You take care. You take it easy. Peace. We out.